In this video, I'll show you how to hide LinkedIn profile from everyone. If you want to make your LinkedIn profile much less visible, the main setting to know is your public profile visibility. LinkedIn lets you turn your public profile off, which hides it from public view on the web and can also stop search engines from indexing that public profile. LinkedIn also has extra visibility settings for profile discovery on and off LinkedIn, so if your goal is to become as hidden as possible, you should review more than one privacy option. To get started on mobile, open the LinkedIn app and tap your profile photo. Then tap Settings, go to Visibility, and tap Edit your public profile under the Profile and Network Visibility section. On that screen, turn your profile's public visibility to off. On LinkedIn says this hides your public profile from public view, which is the most important step if you do not want people outside LinkedIn to find your profile easily. If you are using LinkedIn on desktop, the path is similar. Click your Me icon, open View Profile, then go to the area for Edit Public Profile and URL. From there, turn your profile's public visibility off. LinkedIn says changes are saved automatically, so once that setting is off, your public profile is no longer visible in the same way on the web. Now here is the important part. Turning off your public profile does not automatically mean nobody on LinkedIn can find or view you. LinkedIn explains that public profile settings work independently from the profile seen by members who are signed in. That means if you want to reduce visibility even more, go back to Settings, start Open Visibility, and review options related to profile discovery and visibility off LinkedIn. You can turn off settings that allow your profile information to appear in permitted services off LinkedIn, and you can also adjust how discoverable you are by email address or phone number inside LinkedIn settings. You may also want to review smaller privacy settings, such as who can see your connections, your email visibility, and whether you browse in private mode. These do not hide your profile completely, but they do give you tighter control over what others can see and how your account appears during activity on LinkedIn. So the key idea is this. If you want to hide your LinkedIn profile from everyone as much as possible, first turn off your public profile. Then review your discovery and visibility settings to reduce how easily people can find you both on and off LinkedIn. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.